All right, so now that you have the navigation down, the next step is to make a few edits, simple edits to your website. So what I'm asking for is a clear headline or a clear title for your page, and then a short intro paragraph. So I'm leaving it up to you to find the spot where you want to do that, whether that's your about page or the homepage somehow. And then I'm asking you to add some kind of call to action button or link. It's all preliminary right now, so it doesn't have to be anything that you would have to use in the final version of your website. It's just a matter of making those edits here so that you get your practice. Now, with that said, these are the minimum things that I'm asking for, but go ahead and feel free to start putting in relevant information, because what I'm wanting is for you to have practice in using WordPress, but then also to actually have a portfolio site that you could use to showcase all the cool stuff that you have to showcase, whether that's in your professional life or during your time at Athens State and another university, all the different projects that when you apply for a job, for example, or if you're working with a collaborator, you could send them this link and they could check out your stuff. All right, so as far as editing, what I would say is it depends on your theme. So I'll show you a couple different ways to make edits to your site. So if you're used to working online, like say, for example, Google Docs or the online version of Word, or even just using something like the desktop version of, or the software version of Word, it would be just a matter of clicking on a text and making those kind of edits. So I already played around with this a little bit. So I added my awesome website. Play around with the different menu items that you see here, but I'm kind of just keeping the theme intact. I'm just using whatever it gave me, and I'm just kind of writing over it. So let's see, about me stuff, but I'll leave that to you to write something relevant for your particular site. So that's one way to do it, is directly from the editor under appearance. You could also go to pages and then choose the page that you want to edit. So say if you want to do something with galleries, you could type here and then save. Or you could go to the dashboard. So to get to this dashboard, I clicked on the WordPress logo, and then you can click on pages, and then from there you could go to galleries or whatever page you want and start type here and here and here. So I'm just making edits there. If I didn't already say this, feel free to make other edits to your website. These are just the minimum that I'm asking for, that you've added the things that I listed in the instructions. And then you could edit the homepage by clicking on edit homepage under pages. And then it'll just take you back to this one where you were able to type in there and make edits. So pretty user friendly, right? Yeah.